Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about types of data structures, part of data structures using C++ course. There are several types of data structures, including arrays. An array is a collection of elements, each identified by an index or a subscript. Elements can be accessed randomly, making arrays useful for fixed size collections. Linked list. A linked list is a collection of nodes where each node contains a value and a pointer to the next node in the list. Linked lists are useful for dynamic size collections and insertion or deletion operations. Stacks. A stack is a collection of elements where the last element added is the first one to be removed. In short, last in, first out. Stacks are used for function call management in computer programs. Queues. A queue is a collection of elements where the first element added is the first one to be removed. In short, it is called first in, first out. Queues are used for managing incoming requests or tasks in a computer system. Trees. A tree is a hierarchical data structure that contains a root node, branches, and leaves. Trees are used to represent hierarchical relationships between objects and for searching and sorting data. Graphs. A graph is a collection of nodes and edges where nodes represent objects and edges represent relationship between the objects. Graphs are used to represent complex relationship between objects and for searching and analyzing data. Hash tables. A hash table is a data structure that stores data in an array-like format and uses a hash function to map keys to indices in an array. Hash tables are used for efficient search and insertion operations. These are some of the most commonly used data structures. The choice of which data structure to use depends on the specific problem being solved and the requirements of the application. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.